Accumulators can bring huge wins, but only if built smartly. Here's how to do it on 1xBet. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Stick between 3 and 5 selections. More matches, higher risk. Choose safer odds, like between 1.3 and 1.5, instead of chasing big ones. Mix markets, not only winners, but also over-under of both teams to score. And last one, always use cash out if things start going wrong. Accumulator betting is exciting, but discipline is the key to profits. So use this simple suggestion and your balance will grow. And if you enjoyed this video, put a like, subscribe, and see you soon.